guys, we're hanging out at the 2020 annual dealer meeting here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Harley-Davidson. What we've got here is a 2020 Road Glide. It's a non-special edition, but it's covered with all kinds of genuine Harley-Davidson accessories. Starting with this Stage 4 Screamin Eagle kit, unbelievably powerful. Bike has the Road Glide Fat Ape handlebars on it. Paint scheme is the River Rock Gray Denim. That's Stage 4, really pops. Has the upgraded deck lid stereo, the new solo seat, and paint matched inner fairing.